Here's how to install WhatsApp on iPad. Now take note that an iPad is similar to that of another iOS devices such as iPhone. So the way you're going to install WhatsApp is going to be similar to that of an iPhone. You're just going to head over to the App Store, and here in the App Store what you're going to be doing is just searching on WhatsApp. So I'm going to tap the search button down below, and here I'm going to go ahead and type WhatsApp. After doing so, I'm going to go ahead and click the search button down below, and from here you're going to choose WhatsApp Messenger. Now this is very important. Make sure that you are using WhatsApp Incorporated here for downloading. There are other WhatsApp applications, but they're not the real ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap the download button right here, and once you have downloaded it, just go ahead and tap the open button right here. And there you go. So just go ahead and click agree and continue, and then you're just going to basically follow the prompt here in order for you to log in on your WhatsApp account. And that, everybody, is how easy it is to install WhatsApp on an iPad.